How to fix verification code not sending on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually fix Android phones verification code not sending, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you're trying to verify an account, maybe you're trying to reset a password, or maybe you're simply only trying to, let's say, log into some other devices, and because you've tuned in two-factor or maybe any type of issues, you might be asked to actually enter a code, but for some reason you have not been receiving the code to your messages app on Android. So why does this happen? Now there are a couple of reasons as to why this happens, and there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it as well. The very first thing you want to do is just make sure that your SIM card is actually installed and that your phone number is entered correctly, because when your phone number is not entered correctly in the app that you're trying to log into, it will not send the code to the correct phone number, which in this case is your own phone number. After that, sometimes it could be due to cellular tower issues. So in that case, first of all, I'd recommend you to turn on flight mode, wait for a couple of seconds, and then turn off flight mode back on again. Once you turn off flight mode, turn on your Wi-Fi and then just check that whether you're receiving messages from other people as well. Then open the messages app over here, and then this time you should definitely be able to receive the message. As you can see, I have received a couple of messages. Now if it's not sending a verification code, try to send a normal message from someone else's phone. So if you have someone's phone with you, try to send the message to your number, and in case the message gets sent to your number, it's not the issue with your phone, but the issue is with the platform, because sometimes if you're trying to verify from Facebook itself could have this bug that is not sending you the code. So that is one of the important things to understand. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.